Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to delete your address inside the Temu app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. Alright guys, open up the Temu app on your mobile device and you'll be brought to the home page of Temu. So if you get pop-ups here, just click out of them and then you'll be brought to this page. Now from here, make sure you are signed in, and then after that click onto you, bottom of your page here. And now this is the home or the settings page inside Temu. So what you want to do is to look for something called addresses. So click into that. I don't have any new shipping addresses saved. So what I'll do, I'll quickly add a address and then I'll delete it. So give me a moment to do that. All right, I'll put in my new address. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. All right, so there's my new address inside Temu. So to delete it, simply click on the delete button here and then click on delete address. And now that address has been deleted from Temu. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.